There has been a crude bomb explosion at the Patna railway station. One person has been injured in the explosion. Besides the blast, 2 country-made bombs have been found in a toilet at the railway station. These are now, of course, being diffused. Particularly significant is the fact that this comes hours before Narendra Modi, the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, is expected to address a huge rally in the city. People in large numbers are already gathered at the Modi rally venue, and that of course is the significance of this breaking news. In fact, that we're just getting now, that 1 crude bomb has in fact exploded and 2 others have been found in the toilet at the Patna railway station. We're trying to get you some more details. We understand that 1 person has been injured, and so far what we're getting to understand is that the injured person has been admitted to the Patna Medical Hospital, and that of course is what Atul Pathak, the IG of the RPF, has in fact spoken to the media.
एक बम ब्लास्ट हुआ है, इसमें एक व्यक्ति घायल हुआ है, उसको रेफर किया गया है हॉस्पिटल में। बाकी जो हमारी बम डिस्पोजल वाली टीम है और एफएसएल की टीम यहाँ आके जांच कर रही है।
All right, and we're joined now to get a few more details by Manish Kumar, who's joining us from Patna. Manish, first of all, just take us through what you know so far. Manish, if you can hear me, take us through all the details you have on this particular breaking news so far.
Kashish, the Patna junction has 2 ways to reach the Patna junction. There is a Karbigaiya side of this Patna junction. Then there is a main gate of this Patna junction. This bomb blast took place at the Sulabh Shauchalaya, which is right on the side of the Karbigaiya side of this Patna junction. It's near the platform number 2, a little bit far from the platform. And according to the police, which is there, there was a country-made bomb which was kept inside one bathroom in that which is part of that Sulabh Shauchalaya, and this bomb blast took place there. It's a very minor, this 1 person who has received injury, he has got some minor injury, but there is another country-made bomb which is right there, which is being right now diffused. The Sulabh Shauchalaya has been closed for the common man, and police is there, the FSL team is there, and they are trying to defuse the bomb. And after some time, this Sulabh Shauchalaya will be also open for the common man. Kashish?
All right, Manish, of course, what you're reporting right now at the moment is that 1 person has been injured and 2 other crude bombs have in fact been found at the toilet. But Manish, talk to us about the significance of this ahead of BJP Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi's rally, which is expected to start in a couple of hours.
This place, this Karbigaiya side of the Patna junction is far off, is quite far from the main venue of the rally, which is Gandhi Maidan. Narendra Modi has nothing to do with Patna junction, because he will land at the Patna airport around 12:30, and then from there he will come straight to the Gandhi Maidan, and from there he is going back to the airport. So, but this Karbigaiya junction, the Karbigaiya side of Patna junction has quite a record. It has the previous, history of some history seekers or criminals taking refuge there, keeping their bombs. So it is not something new, but right now it's all about the timing. And today, because there is a rally, there is a massive crowd here, and this bomb blast has taken place, so it is being linked with each other. Kashish?
And what, Manish, are you hearing at the moment about what is likely to be the political impact of this explosion ahead of that rally?
Kashish, I can't hear your question because there is so much of noise.
Sure. Manish, what I was asking was that, like you said, the timing of this explosion is very significant. Are you hearing any political murmurs within the BJP about this explosion ahead of Narendra Modi's rally?
So far there is no political reaction, but the BJP spokesman, they will react, and they will try to brand it as the failure of the law and order situation in the state capital, especially they will try to paint some kind of design. There is kind of some kind of orchestrated move to sabotage the rally. But everyone knows that if you ask the leaders in Patna, they will say that it's not something big. But of course, this has taken place on the day of rally, so they will try to attribute some kind of political motive behind this. Kassis?
Also, Manish, if you could just describe just to recap for our viewers. Manish, if you could just tell us what. All right, I think Manish is unable to hear us.
Kassis, I can't hear your question.
All right, so then we'll try to fix that audio with Manish Kumar and try to get back to him in just a bit to get some more details of that breaking news which is coming in at this hour. An explosion just hours ahead before the BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi is expected to address a rally in Patna. But let's listen in to a bite from an eyewitness.
हम लोग का कुली विश्राम गृह है ये, इसमें हम लोग सोते हुए थे तो धमाका हुआ, तो जाके सब लोग तो फोर्स से एजे थे तो जाके देखे तो बेचारे वो गिरल था उसी में।
कोई ऐसा आदमी
ना भागा भागी हम लोग नहीं देखे।